Hello, Bacho. Welcome to your favorite channel, Time's Imagination, where your bedtime stories begin. This is a story about the Princess Lila and Garden of Whispers. Once upon a time, in a sparkling kingdom surrounded by rolling hills and blooming meadows, there lived a kind little princess named Lila. She was only 9 years old with bright, curious eyes and long brown hair tied neatly with a pink ribbon. But Princess Lala had a secret. Unlike other children in the palace, she could hear the whispers of flowers and trees. When she walked in the royal gardens, the roses would greet her. Good morning, sweet princess. The tall oak tree would rumble. Careful, child, a storm is coming. She never told anyone because who would have believed that princess could talk to the plants? But her special gift made her feel less lonely. Every day after lessons, she would run to the garden. Friends share her thoughts and listen to theirs. One summer, the kingdom faced a terrible problem. The skies stopped raining. Day after day, the sun burned hot, and soon rivers and wells began to dry up. The people were worried. Farmers could not grow crops, children cried from thirst, and the once green gardens turned pale and brown. In the palace, the king and queen tried everything, sending riders to the far lands for water, asking wise men for advice, but nothing worked. One evening, Lila sat sadly in her garden. Oh, my friends, she whispered, what can I do? Everyone is suffering. The flowers, dry and weak, whispered back, go to the old willow tree at the edge of the forest. She knows where the water sleeps. Lila's eyes widened. The old willow? The oak tree nodded yes, but beware. She only speaks the truth to those who are gentle of heart. The very next morning, Princess Lila slipped out of the palace with a small basket of food. She walked through the fields, her little shoes dusty, her face determined. Finally, she reached the edge of the forest where the ancient willow tree stood. Its long silver leaves swayed like curtains, and its trunk was wide and twisted. Great willow, Lila whispered, bowing respectfully. Please help me. My people are thirsty and land is dying. The willow's deep voice creaked like an old door. Child of kindness, the water sleeps beneath the stone of echoes. But beware, it will only rise for one who listens with patience, not with pride. Lila followed the willow's directions and found herself in a hidden valley, where a giant grey stone lay in the middle. Birds circled above, and the air felt heavy with silence. She knelt by the stone. Water, are you here? She asked softly. At first, there was no answer. The princess closed her eyes, placing her ear gently on the stone. She waited and waited. Finally, she heard a faint whisper, like a drop of rain. Sing to me, little one. Only your heart's song can wake me. So Lila sang, a sweet, gentle lullaby by her mother used to sing at bedtime. Her voice trembled at first, but soon it grew strong and pure. Suddenly the stone rumbled, cracks spread across its surface, and with a joyful roar, clear sparkling water gushed out, forming a stream that rushed down the valley. The water flowed back into the rivers, filling wells and fields. Grass turned green, flowers bloomed, and the kingdom came alive again. The people cheered, our princess saved us, but Lila only smiled, keeping the secret that it was the whispers of her garden friends that had guided her. That night, under the glowing stars, the king and queen hugged her tightly. You are truly a gift to this kingdom, our brave little princess. And in her heart, Lila knew something important. Her special gift wasn't just about hearing flowers and trees, it was about listening with kindness because sometimes the softest whispers carry the greatest wisdom. And so, dear dreamers, remember you don't need magic to help others. Sometimes all you need is a kind heart and patience to listen, like Princess Lila. You too can bring life and hope wherever you go. So, this is the end of the today's story, and we'll meet in the next one soon. Good night.